In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix the issue of not having any sound in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be really frustrating when you can't hear the game, music, or even sound effects, so let's walk through some steps on how you can fix it. First, if you're in a game, go ahead and press the escape key, and then at the top, go ahead and find the settings tab. Scroll down until you find the little output device section, and ensure it's on the correct output. Something like your headphones or speakers needs to be selected. You can filter through these by hitting the arrows on the left and right. Also, check the volume slider and make sure that the volume slider is turned up all the way, or even up just more than usual, to see if that fixes the sound. If that didn't work, go ahead and exit out of Roblox, and you're going to want to check your Windows sound settings. To do this, go to your search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in settings. On the left-hand menu, you're going to want to click on system, and then from here, go ahead and head to sound. Now try increasing the master volume right here to see if that restores that sound. If it doesn't, stay inside the sound settings, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you find volume mixer. It's going to be in this advanced section right here. Click on this and then find Roblox in the list while Roblox is still opened up, and just ensure that it's not muted. It'll look something like this if it's muted. Just make sure it's not muted. Hopefully one of these 3 steps solves that issue for you, but if you're still having issues, let me know down in the comments and we can help you out further. Before you leave this video, make sure you like and subscribe for even more helpful tutorials.